We have a
Huawei.
We have a Huawei P30 Lite. Cook the Huawei's done cooking. Pry into the back. Open it up. Remove the back glass. That's the Huawei. Beautiful. Unscrew. Remove. Disconnect the battery. Remove the logic board. Transfer all the little parts. So the battery actually comes with removal instructions. Thank you, Huawei. Well, that was really easy and satisfying. Unscrew. Remove. Remove. Audio jack. Now we have to put it all back together. That's our new screen, charging port, battery, logic board, and I was sent the wrong frame. Or maybe I ordered the wrong frame, I'm not sure. But the back camera won't fit. So they sent me the wrong frame, but I'm getting another one tomorrow.